So you ran the New York City Marathon?
I did.
How long did you train, buddy?
I started training in England because we were shooting the Great American Baking Show, and I signed up for the marathon while I was there in like August. So I trained for about 3 months, but I've learned since that's really not
That's
that.
it.
3 months.
People train for marathons, guys. They train for like half a year.
It's just amazing. You really did that in just 3 months?
It's psychotic. No, listen. I completed the marathon. I did not sprint through the streets of New York City. Like, those pictures are misleading because I think it was at the end and I was just so relieved it was over. Because during the thing, I texted my sister, who is in California, this is the worst day of my life. Because I just think it's awful. But then it's done.
Once you start it, you can't stop. Now you gotta finish. Yeah.
And that was my pride was the only thing I had left. I was like, I must complete this because I don't want, like, I don't want to not finish. So I finished. I like walked a lot.